Look at those beautiful Brachiosauruses! The Tarla extra bubbly today. We have a sticky situation. A baby dino là sinking fast in the gooey groves.
Đâu biết là quá dính, không có pup nào là quá nhỏ. PA World Patrol, to the dino lookout.
PAW Patrol ready for action. Ryder, sir! I guess I'm just bone-ired.
A baby Brachiosaurus là stuck in a tar pit. We need to get no out before no sinks, Guasso.
I can talk to the mother dinosaur that keep everyone calm.
This mission, we need Rex via his new rescue wheels. Those ultra-wide treads will let him drive right onto the tar without sinking.
I need your crane, the power shovel, to act as an anchor on the solid ground.
Rubble on the double.
Rescue wheels, roll out!
Treads engaged. These are Treadmendous.
Whoa! That tar is thicker than it looks!
It's okay, Mama. We're here to help your little one.
I can't get a grip! This mudla like soap!
Remember, pups, by spreading our weight over a wider surface, we don't apply as much pressure. That's why Rex's wide treads can stay on top.
I'm floating! Nala like driving on a giant marshmallow!
Anchor set. I'm not budging.
Stay still, little one. We're gonna get you out.
Whoa! That was a big one!
The tree lit in the way. We can't reach the harness. Rubble. Use your crane to lift the tree just a few inches. Rex, fire your winch underneath now.
Almost there! Winch away! Whoa! Got Gnaw! We're connected! Time for some high torque power! Great job, Rex! For a dino bath! Splish splash!
That was some tremendous teamwork, Rex. Bant saved the day.
Whenever you're in a sticky situation, just yelp for help! By spreading my weight out với những chiếc bánh xe rộng này, I can catch you even on the softest grass.
Looks like our friend found a much safer snack. These medals are for our most unstuck-a-bubble heroes.
I'm ready for the next big wheel adventure.
PAW Patrol is on a roll. See you on the next Dino Rescue.